Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the coolest, craziest, and most amazing things in the world. Today, we're diving deep into something truly magical. Have you ever seen animals or plants that can glow in the dark? It's called bioluminescence, and it's one of nature's most incredible tricks. Buckle up, because we're about to light up your world. So, what exactly is bioluminescence? Well, it's a big word that means living things that can produce their own light. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's totally real. Some animals and plants have special chemicals in their bodies that mix together and make them glow. It's like having a built-in flashlight. Isn't that cool? Bioluminescence can be found in many different places, from forests to the deep, dark ocean, and each creature uses it in a unique way. Sometimes it's to attract a mate, sometimes to scare off predators, and sometimes just to light up the world around them. Wow! Are you enjoying this? Let's meet some of these amazing glow-in-the-dark creatures. First up, we have the one you've probably seen before. Fireflies! These little bugs are like tiny flying lanterns. At night, they use their glowing bottoms to talk to each other. Yep, they're sending out signals, kind of like a light-up text message. The males flash their lights to attract females. If the female likes what she sees, she flashes back. Did you know there are over 2,000 species of fireflies? Each has its own special pattern of flashes. That's awesome! Next, we have something a little creepier, the anglerfish. This deep-sea fish lives in the darkest parts of the ocean, where sunlight can't reach. But the anglerfish has a trick up its sleeve, or rather on its head. It has a glowing lure that dangles right in front of its mouth. When a curious fish swims up to check out the light, snap! Dinner time! Now, let's take a trip to some dark, damp caves where we'll find glowworms. These little guys create beautiful, sparkling lights on the cave ceilings, but they're not just making a pretty show, they're actually hunting. The glow attracts insects, which get caught in the glowworm's sticky threads. Dinner is served. Did you know that some mushrooms can glow too? Bioluminescent mushrooms are found in forests, and they glow a soft greenish light. Scientists think the glow helps attract insects, which then spread the mushroom spores far and wide. All right, so where can you see these glowing wonders for yourself? Let's take a quick tour around the globe. One of the most famous places is Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico. Here, the water glows bright blue when you touch it, or when waves roll in. This is because of tiny organisms called dinoflagellates that light up when they're disturbed. Imagine swimming in a glowing ocean. How cool would that be? if you're ever in New Zealand, you have to visit the Waitomo Caves. The ceilings of these caves are covered in thousands of glowworms, making it look like a starry night sky underground. It's like being in a magical world. Now it's time for some fun facts and trivia. Let's see how much you've learned. Which creature uses its glowing light to lure prey? Is it A, fireflies, B, anglerfish, or C, glowworms? Think you know the answer? It's B, anglerfish. Remember how it uses that spooky light to trick other fish into coming close? Here's another fun fact. Scientists are studying bioluminescence to help develop new technologies, like glow-in-the-dark plants that could light up our streets without electricity. Did you know that some squids can shoot out glowing ink? It helps them confuse predators and make a quick escape. Wow, bioluminescence is pretty amazing, right? We've seen glowing bugs, fish, worms, and even mushrooms. Nature sure has some awesome tricks up its sleeve. So, what was your favorite glowing creature? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode of Twinkle Tykes TV. And hey, maybe tonight you can go outside and look for some fireflies, or even try making your own glow-in-the-dark craft at home. Thanks for watching, and keep shining bright. See you next time.